Oh, go on. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Well, forward back to the reason corner. We're up on the reason corner. I'm going to reason about a topic when I say I go on right down in the Maypen there. Because I see the Metropolitan Police boy get a blouse and skirt stone in the head. Is it? Yeah, man, I that them forget, man. I'm not sorry for him. Because them oppress poor people too much. Boy, them fool, you know. Boy, them family are poor people too, you know. Poor people background they come from, because rich man picking down them work there, you know. Is it? I mean, I tell you, say, the man, them a blouse and skirt, draw button and sit take with the people them goods. Yo, I could watch a video and see what I go on, because a joke thing this. I will well known some call him Santa, because him have a white beard, you know. Big up yourself, well known some call him man that do the work. Real Godfather. You see me? Yeah, man. I have to big up them man every time. And them man, they make me find it to do this. Yeah. Because we need more warriors where I go Obama and show up the thief in politician them, you know. And spread the word, you know. You see me? Yeah. That I believe in, you know. Because Jamaica for better. Blouse and skirt. Yo, only look upon it. People them vote for your mayor, people them vote for your MP. And I MP them a do this, you know. I government them a do this, you know. But people them may wonder if you know not have no sense to look upon it and say, yo, the politician them now with we. You not see that. Come like you know sleep on the blouse and skirt, brain or on the eyes or one. When you can't say the politician them now with we. Oh, you think police can just come out, or Metropolitan Police can just come out and do them things if them not get order? Who them get the order from? You know, yo, people not sleep, no stop sleep, no man, no wake up, no man, no see what go on in Jamaica, man. You know, yo, it's just shocking to see how people them are go through struggles right now at Christmas or forward. I know, say, your grand market, and I saw the people them make them money. I saw the people them hustle them food. I saw the people that send them youth go to school. Even if on a Christmas, I saw the people that send them youth go to school. No job, no did they. Wait. Mr. Prime Minister, boy and Joe on this. You think me I put no respect for your name? Look a fool. You think nobody like you, you pose up, you look a puppet, you know, boy. That more, you know, you think nobody like you. Yo, you now win our next blouse and skirt election in Jamaica. You're Prime Minister boy and Jonas. Yeah, you thief in criminal blouse and skirt JLP cabinet. Hold on, a thief. Watch the video and so I go and we can see how Santa get leaking in blood stomach head. Yeah, people, we forward back and we just see what go on in that video. Is it? We want to see in that video. Tell me. Cause me say yo, me no know, I could have be a woman, could have be a man. Me see a stone just fling over a crowd so and go to the direct person, cause when you hear on well on some program and you would call him well if I may pen say yo, but nobody not like the man, you know. You see it? Nobody not like the man. Cause I be a problem in Gidong and me pen. You see me? Also the youth say him think him never sure. Him say him think the man was a police too, you see it? And nobody not like him. He must get some kick out of force or something happen. Me not sure. I saw me hear the youth I say on the thing, you see me? But him say him never sure because you see maybe a ear in ear. But something can nearly go so you don't know what the thing said, you see me? Something can nearly go so. You see, so what you see in that video? Right now we see say yo, the man get a stone right in him right side and in head side. And then could even stand up, him just drop down the ground like a blouse and skirt, faint. You see me? And guess what? We wanna see in that video. No just tell me we wanna see. Yo, I know the police boy no help him. I know none of him friend them no help him. You know see that? I the bystanders, the same market people them where sell at the pay at the 2 woman or the over the side I help him. And then like him colleagues them. I know the police boy no move to go help him, you know. Because guess what? Them a protect the people them goods. All if you want to protect the people them goods from people that take out back them goods out of them car. The goods is more important for the people they don't get back because the thief they want to thief the people them goods. You see it? I saw them police boy they move. I saw them go around and take away people goods and not give a damn about them colleagues. Cause watch it, him colleagues drop a ground, boom with a big stone in the head. And all know the police boy they move. Cause one police did there with them, you know. You see it? But big man thing, just tell me wanna think big man thing, cause we can't understand them people here. Big man thing. A some joke thing I go and write down a yard. I tell you that. Them thing have to slap you out. Boy and Jonas and then look a combo of them in JLP them. Is it? I be a lie the boy them I take grown and I tell you now I go borrow $1.8 billion now for pay. For pay the public sector work, you know. Like the nurse and them thing there, you know. You see me? Man, I go borrow the money there for pay and I can't tell you. And hold on there. I don't even know I can't find the article, you know. You see me? But me probably can do a thing on it later down, you see me? Cause a joke thing them there. You cannot borrow for pay your work and they make how much $60 billion, you know, when they say you're out of revenue, when they say them never 60 or 600 billion. When they say them never expect to make, you see me? And they make that the money there and then want to borrow $1.8 billion for what? Plus they have $3 billion in a reserve. Plus they have the blouse and skirt money where them say they have spent on national security. When there is nothing now spent on security, it's just all a lie and bullshit. A thief up the money. You see what I say? I don't understand the government, you know. Yo, I say me dying for the UIC forwarding. And you might say me not do nothing for Mr. Patterson yet, but right now I just saw you go. You see it? But me I go deal with it the right and proper way, because I was the next president that I believe in. I believe in a Mark Gold, you know. The PNP, you know. You see it? Only some of them believe in the PNP, a Damon Crawford. I don't know, but him seems real to me. Not even Lisa Anna. Lisa Anna, them a blouse and skirt, man. Pretty face style, man. You see, if Lisa Anna, them really want Jamaica, I can say the same thing for Crawford too. You see, but Lisa Anna, them a woman. You see me? Should have been more compassionate and for more. Yo, me not believe in the PNP. First thing when I see Mark Golding, I go to the PSO, J said him a go to crank him for implement for crime strategy. You see me? I don't know why I go to the PSOJ for crime strategy. You don't need to go to the PSOJ, man. You know, I play this politicking role. Politicking, I try to trick the people, them, I go like when I eat that. You see me? I stop try to trick the people, them, man, and do the right thing, man, and Jonas and Mark Golding. I not believe in it. I not believe in Andrew Jonas, but me did I give Mark Golding some credit, you know. I tell you the truth. But from see the man go Sabama and go to PSOJ. Well, PSOJ is not in our government. You see what I say? them is just the private sector, some business people who mash up the country and import all kind of foolishness. See the boy tough time go import beer, eat that rice there. Have company in our name we are conflict of interest. It means a government enough have no company, enough have no sitting there a shipping no rice in our country. You see me? But them a shipping bad rice. Bad rice, the boy tough than a shipping. You see me? And may I get some shocking news on the bad rice thing too. Is it? Cause you know say it's better me get the voice note. Because me no want to come talk it, myself, Me have something for drop out pound, people, but I show me not to me busy out, But me I go drop it out pound, people. Because me have something to talk about the boy, what you name there? Andrew Wheatley. Is it? Yeah, Andrew Wheatley. We have something to talk about him. And me have something to talk about the Chinese them we are criminal. We are jail them a come from their country. You see me? Yeah, me have come talk about them thing there. And it best me get the voice note them and play them for the people them. You see me? Cause yo people just open up your eyes, a UIC is the way to go. You hear that? If you don't know say UIC, if you not give them a chance, man, I know what happened to Jamaica. I tell you the truth. Bless up people. Give thanks. Yo, I tell you say this thing is so you don't even know what going on, people. You don't believe me come as I talk because more likes and me telling you say likes and subscribe. Because more of the thing for go people for hear me thing. Is it a whole heap of thing I go on the down I don't even know Things are sweep underneath the rug pound in Jamaica people. Yo, bless up one love, I'm out, yo. Big up on yourself too,